Well, the general election is going to take place in May 2015, and from an Usdaw point of view, it's extremely important. Politicians are making decisions every day that affect our members and their families, and therefore to have a political voice is crucial. The only way we can actually fight back against those hostile changes is through a change of political government. And therefore, now is the time to become active politically. Politicians over the last number of years have made a number of policy changes that have impacted on Usdaw members. The right to go to tribunal, where there used to be unfair dismissal after a 12-month service, is now 2 years. The effect on tribunal fees, which impact on the lowest paid in the terms of not being able to afford to go to tribunal. Fortunately for Usdaw, we've been able to support our members in such cases. Criminal injuries compensation, where many of our members, unfortunately, may be injured at work and therefore denied the possibility of compensation. There is a raft of policy changes introduced by the Coalition that have impacted on our membership. Of course, the economy is a key issue, and many of our members who are in work unfortunately can't secure the number of hours they want, and this is as a result of there being less spending in the economy. It's had a downward effect on our membership. So that's why we're political. We're not a political party, and we don't pretend to be by any means, but we are entitled to a political voice. In fact, our members tell us we should be campaigning on the policies that matter. Our Parents and Carers campaign, our Freedom from Fear campaign, all have a political dimension to them. The cost of living crisis is a key issue that is now being debated by all the politicians. The level of the minimum wage, the campaign for a living wage, are all political decisions. Health and safety, pensions. You can't avoid politics. If you try to, politics will not avoid you, and decisions that they take in Parliament will affect you. Please take an interest. See how you can connect to Usdaw in its politics. The assurance I want to give you is the campaigns we raise are the ones that are well evidence-based by our membership. They're the ones that we take to the politicians. So we're now in what I would describe as the final furlong of an election period, where leading up to 2015, we must remain vigilant, campaign, and also campaign for the policies that matter for Usdaw members and their families.